Alright guys, so we got Dan the man here. We've got the 1972 911 that we've done a full engine overhaul on. 2.9 liter, big bore, high performance, full build. And he's just gonna kind of walk us through the details of it. So Dan, what can you tell us about this car? Some specs on the engine.
Other than it's awesome?
Well, yeah, it's definitely awesome. It's a magnificent car.
We can talk a little bit about it. I mean, it was started life as a 76 2.7 Carrera. Magnesium block, still is a magnesium block. We ended up going with 93mm Nickeys from L&M Engineering, so it actually made the whole bore all the way up to a 2.9, which is some people were sketched out by it, but we like it just because it's bigger's better. But it's got 6 PMOs all the way around, so it's like the old school Weber with new redesign airflow, so it's adjustable. Basically, that is the extent of the crazy work that's done, other than it's got E-cams for carburetors, so they got high lift cams, but they're stock, so the combination works out well. Should make around 250 horsepower.
Does it have like any you know, custom internals, custom pistons, rods, anything like that? Or?
Everything's been reworked. I mean, the rods itself are the Carrillos, so they're nice. And they're very racing spec. They're the I-beams, so they're better, way better than stock. It's pretty much the best thing you can put in it.
So it's got the Carrillo forged?
Yeah, fully forged, and it's got JE pistons in it, so all that's nice. And
high compression, all that good stuff.
High compression, it should be around 10.8 to 1. It's got titanium valve seats in it too, because they reworked the valves too when they went to the machine shop, which was nice of them. But and it's obviously got the updated cam tensioners with the stainless steel braided lines and all that, so everything stays in time.
So how long did it take to do the project? What do you know, if somebody wanted to come in and have us do a full build?
Oh man,
like this, what do you think?
It all kind of depends on what was wrong with it when it came in, to be honest with you, because this one turned into a long project. Right. But you know, we found a lot of issues with the engine, got them taken care of, and now we're back to where it needs to be. Right. And better. But if no issues like the way we had this one, I mean, it should, you know, you're looking at probably like a month.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
A month build to get it worked out and tweaked, and depending on machine shop too, so it could be 2 months. But right. You know, we're at the mercy of other people when it comes to building engines, because they're not.
So yeah, if we got an engine right in front of us,
yeah,
you start on, you know, 30 days. It's done if there's no parts issues, stuff like that.
Yeah, we got no problems. It'd take a month to do this.
Right.
And we also did suspension rework on this thing too. I mean, it's basically stock torsion bars, but as you can see, it's very lowered.
Right.
And it's got SSI exhaust too, which makes it sound amazing.
Let's see if we can see that from under here. Oh yeah.
But he's running the 50 series tires, so it keeps it nice and small. It's a narrow body, so it's real nimble.
Yeah, the orange. It kind of
it's that tangerine, man.
Kind of works out with our colors, don't it?
It does. It almost matches. But everything's pretty clean on this thing. But either way.
Oh yeah.
Very, very, very minimalistic car.
Yeah, nice and simple. That's how I like it.
Even the spare tire matches.
Wow. It looks like it's got some strut mount bracing too.
It does have a strut mount brace. Makes it very easy to do your camber adjustments with that.
So this guy too, you know, he likes to track the car. He's got autocross and all that fun stuff. So this thing should be pretty good. Right. Well, let's start it. Let's see what it sounds like. That's pretty much it for the overview. We got air-cooled Dan here, give us a little quick rundown on the car, and we're about to go take it for a spin here in a little bit, see what it's about. test drive of this thing, see how it runs. This is my first time actually driving the car since we got the build finished up on it. But just, you know, take off just now, this thing feels like it's gonna be a good drive. The really cool thing about this car is everything's so, you know, analog. You can really appreciate just the simplicities of these old air-cooled Porsches and really see the evolution from these going into the new cars and see how they kind of followed their heritage. The throttle response to this thing is awesome. She's a bit thirsty, so we're gonna stop and fill it up with some 93 real quick. Yeah, time for a quick fill up. Go put a little bit more miles on it, and then we got basically 1,000 miles to go on it, and then it'll be time to do another oil change. After that, pretty much the break-in period's done on it, other than just doing last little bit of tuning and whatnot on it. It's really incredible, like, how small this car is. Like, you know, I don't know how many of you people have actually, you know, seen one of these up close, but when you compare it to like a new 911, the size difference is incredible. I mean the car is just so tiny, light, and nimble. That's my favorite aspect of the car, is just how small it is. And it's orange. Can't go wrong with orange. That's definitely a plus in my book. PMO's throttle response is incredible. You just don't get that kind of throttle response in a fuel injection engine or direct fuel injection, in my opinion. Good for a little 2.9 air cooled. That's crazy. It's very quick and very peppy. It's got really good torque. Unfortunately, right now I can't go past 5,000 RPMs because we're still on the, you know, the 1,000 mile break-in period, but it feels strong. Definitely runs good. And that pretty much completes our little quick drive of this thing. It was quite a bit more than I was expecting on this little car.
You gotta take your shoes off?
Yeah, okay.
Dang, that's cool. This makes it easier than this and we'll do that. Hold a little and it gets the sync in it and then start. The house is really
one step cooler coming. So when you come back, I'm gonna pull the plugs and see how they've been running and all that. And then
It's all good. I know how to do this.
I was fixed to get back in the routine.
Once I put it over my shoulder and drag it like that, it goes.
But yeah, whenever you bring it back, I'm gonna pull the plugs, see how they're doing, and then I may put one step colder in it. But we'll see how it goes. Right now, it's 2 steps hotter than stock, so it should run pretty well.
Yeah.
In case you just take off, do you have my key to the Mercedes? Thank you, dear.
That's good. Hey, she knows.
That's a good thing to get.
All right, man.
All right.
That is a badass car.
Lovely car.
I love it.
It seems to be pretty.